Hello everyone, my name is Supreet. I'm a software developer at MathWorks. In this video, I'm going to talk about developing Lidar SLAM algorithms for automated driving applications. Specifically, I'm going to show you some reference examples. These examples demonstrate the capabilities in automated driving Toolbox to achieve Lidar SLAM. Now, let's dive deeper into our first example, which shows a Lidar SLAM workflow. A typical workflow includes registration between point cloud frames to estimate relative motion. These estimates can be used to build a pose graph. From these poses, you can build a point cloud map. But if you closely observe the pose graph, you will notice that using only the registration for localization can lead to a drift. In addition to the registration, we also need to use loop closure detection and pose graph optimization to correct the drift. In this example, we use a global feature descriptor to detect the previously visited locations. In this plot, the detected loops are indicated in red. Then, we go on to optimize the pose graphs using the state-of-the-art G2O library. Once this is done, we can use the point clouds from the sensor and the optimized poses to build a map. This algorithm of Lidar SLAM shown in the example is popularly known as Graph SLAM. Now, let us look at our second example, which shows you how to develop a Lidar SLAM algorithm using data from Unreal Gaming Engine. In this example, a Simulink model interacts with the Unreal Gaming Engine. You can learn how to configure scenes, vehicles, and sensors to gather data using Simulink blocks from the Automated Driving Toolbox. You can also specify a trajectory for the vehicle to follow. Then you can run the simulation to gather the point cloud data and the INS data required for initial estimate of the registration algorithm. Once you have collected the data, you can use the Graph SLAM technique discussed previously to build a point cloud map. Using the simulated data has its own advantages. It helps to verify your algorithms in reproducible environments, hard to test scenarios, and with different sensor and vehicle configurations. Now, let's take a look at our third example, which shows how to design and evaluate a localization algorithm. Here, you can record and visualize data from Unreal Simulation Engine. Using simulated data provides a precise ground truth against which a localization algorithm can be evaluated. We localize using ICP registration algorithm while visualizing the ground truth and estimated trajectory. This example also shows how you can superimpose the built map on the Unreal simulation scene to examine the results. In addition, you can also see how much your result has deviated from the ground truth. Finally, you can use the localization algorithm with the planning and control components to park a vehicle. If you want to learn more about Lidar SLAM for automated driving, you can check out our demos in our documentation page. Thank you.